Officers Greg Miller and Tom Harris, who were confident in their case, stood before the magistrate in a tense courtroom. The previous night, they had apprehended a black male and accused him of interfering with police work and resisting arrest. Jonathan Pierce sat at the defense table in a tailored suit, his hands folded, and his piercing gaze was fixated on the officers. He remained composed. Officer Miller began, "Your Honor," with a smirk. This man was causing a disturbance when we approached. We were compelled to detain him as a result of his aggression. Jonathan was the subject of the judge's attention. "Sir, do you have any remarks to make about yourself?" Slowly, Jonathan stood. "In fact, Your Honor, I do." He produced an identification card issued by the state and displayed it. The courtroom was awash with gasps. The officers squinted as they read aloud the title, State Chief Prosecutor. Their features were devoid of color. Jonathan advanced. "Officers Miller and Harris, I am fully aware of the events that transpired last night. I was not resisting arrest. I was merely inquiring as to why you had halted me." His irises were ablaze with authority, and his voice was unwavering. "Fortunately for you, I captured the entirety of the conversation." His phone was raised. "My office will be reviewing charges against both of you for racial profiling, abuse of power, and false arrest in 5 minutes." Harris's hands trembled as Miller swallowed forcefully. The judge cleared his throat. "I am of the opinion that the case should be dismissed in light of this new information." Jonathan shook his head. "Gentlemen, I recommend that you locate competent attorneys." The officers were rendered immobile as he exited. They had endeavored to undermine a man's existence, only to discover that they had targeted the individual who had the potential to terminate their careers.